This is a review of the outdoor cat house that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this cat house, and from there, we are also going to test this product out as well too. So one of the first few things I want to mention about this product is that this is for your, for outdoor, and it's pretty much for indoor use as well too. It is waterproof shelter. It could be used for your cat. It could be used for your dog. It could be used for pretty much all types of animals, depending on the size of the animal. But for mostly, this is for your cat and for your dog. And I'm using this for my cat. And one of the few things I want to talk about is that it was very easy to set up. It was really like to install it. It was fairly simple and easy, nothing too hard or anything like that. What I love about this is that the material of this is super soft and comfortable. It would definitely keep my cat warm, especially during the winter time. And I did pretty much, my reason for getting this cat house is for pretty much the stray cat that I have. It pretty much is cold during the winter seasons, and it's like 35-40 degrees weather. It gets cold, so this is why I have this. And inside of this is really warm as well too. But not just that, we also get this too. So this is a huge plus that they added this on top of it. So what you do with this is that you pretty much place this inside, and just like that. And yeah, just like that, we have it on, which is going to keep the cat very warm during the cold weather and the cold season. So that I have this place installed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this outside, and from there we're going to test this on my cat to see how well it's holding up and doing. Okay, so this is how the cat house is, and this is my cat that's sitting inside the cat home. You can see here it's really a durable, sturdy cat home for your cat. You can use this for indoors and outdoors as well too. And during this time that I'm recording this video, it's extremely cold outside, which is why the cat is inside. And it's pretty much what I love about this cat home is that it's fully enclosed on four sides, and you can see now the cat's coming out. But yeah, this is one thing I love about this cat home is that you can use it for indoors and outdoors. And so far, my cat loves it. And if my cat loves it, then I absolutely, this is perfect to have for my cat. And I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a cat home for your cat that you want to pretty much use for indoors and outdoors. Then this is probably one of the best ones that you could get.